This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by minimizing variables. Connect the source with balanced cables and set amplifier inputs to the correct sensitivity. Once connected, reduce all volume knobs to 0 and power devices on in sequence, source first, then amp. Make sure grounding is solid and avoid daisy-chained power strips. Use a power conditioner if you have one. You do this because eliminating hum and noise early saves time and reveals real tonal issues, instead of masking them with bad electrical behavior. Once the system is live, set gain staging. Slowly raise the source output and amplifier trim so meters peak comfortably below clipping. Then leave EQ flat and listen for harsh or muddy areas. Apply narrow cuts to remove resonance and broad shelves for tone shaping. Use balanced connections throughout and route audio cables separately from mains to minimize interference. If you need die boxes or pads for level matching, insert them now. You do this to preserve headroom and maintain a clean, distortion-free signal. You finish by dialing the master and speaker levels for comfortable headroom while checking speaker polarity and impedance spec compliance. Make a short test recording and listen critically for distortion, hiss, or hum. This reveals problems you might miss live. If you hear clipping, back off gain or increase attenuation. If you hear hum, systematically swap cables and try lifting ground at the interface. The key troubleshooting tip: isolate the noise source by removing elements one at a time until the fault disappears, then fix or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.